Let's start chapter 11, metric measures. So here you have to write the correct unit for measuring the following pictures. So for measuring the pencil, what will you use? We will use centimeters. For measuring the height of tree, meters. For this quantity of medicine, ml. For the length of the door, centimeters. Height of the building in meters. Weight of an apple in grams. Weight of a watermelon in kg. Capacity of paint in the bucket is in liter. So now let's learn metric measures. So in previous time when we do not have any measuring equipment, we just measure by using our foot span, hand span and cubit. But these measurements do not give the accurate measurements. That's why we use the metric measures. So children, you have to measure. Remember that for measuring the length and height, we use meters. For measuring the weight, we use gram. For measuring the capacity, we use liters. Now, these are the units used to measure lengths and heights. So, you have to remember these. And these units are used for measuring the weight. You also have to remember this. And these are the units for measuring the capacity. So children, you have to remember all these conversions. Now let's learn measuring of length. So what is the basic unit that is used to measure length? It is a meter. So small objects are measured in centimeters and long distance is measured in kilometers. And these are the instruments that are used for measuring the length. Now let's learn the conversion of the units. Bigger unit to smaller unit. So if you want to convert this, you have to multiply by 10. For this, you have to multiply by 10. Kilometers to meter, you have to multiply by thousands. 6 kilometers, it will be 6 into thousands meter. That is equals to 6,000 meters. Meters to centimeters by multiplying by 100. 9 meters is equals to 9 into 100 centimeters. That is 900 centimeters. dm to centimeters, it is done by multiplying by 10. So it will be 17 into 10 centimeters. That is 170 centimeters. Centimeters to millimeter by multiplying by 10. 8 centimeters is equals to 80 millimeter. Meters to dm by multiplying by 10. It will be 11 into 10 dm. That is 110 dm. Now this is the conversion from smaller unit to bigger unit. Millimeter to centimeter, we just have to divide by 10. 60 millimeter is equals to 60 divided by 10 centimeters. 82 millimeters is equals to 82 divided by 10 centimeters. Centimeters to meter by dividing by 100. So 528 centimeters is equals to 528 divided by 100. Meters to kilometers is divided by 1000. 8000 meters is equals to 8000 divided by 1000 kilometers. That is 8 kilometers. Now come to this exercise 11.1. In this you have to do the conversion as explained in above examples. Now let's learn measuring weight. So whenever you go to buy rice, sugar, vegetables, the weight will be measured in grams or kilograms. And whereas the weight of smaller objects such as medicine tablet is represented in milligrams. These are the weighing balance. This is for 100 grams. This is for 200 grams. This is for 500 grams. This is for 1 kg. This is for 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kgs and 20 kgs. Now conversion of units. Bigger unit to smaller unit. Suppose we have to convert kilograms to grams. It is done by multiplying by thousands. 4 kilograms is equals to 4 into 1000 grams. That is equals to 4000 grams. Now smaller units to bigger unit, it is formed by dividing. Milligrams to grams is done by dividing by 1000. 14,000 mg is equals to 14,000 divided by 1000 grams. That is equals to 14 grams. Grams to kilograms by dividing by 1000. 15,000 grams is equals to 15,000 divided by 1000 kilograms, which is equals to 15 kilograms. Like this, children, you can do the conversion. Just remember this. Now come to exercise 11.2. This one you have to do as explained above. Now measurement of capacity. So milliliters, liters and kiloliter is used to measure the capacity. Remember 1 kiloliters is equals to 1000 liters. 1 liters is equals to 1000 milliliters. Now let's understand the conversion of the units. Kiloliters to liters. It is done by multiplying by thousands. 8 into 1000 liters. That is 8000 liters. Liters to milliliters by multiplying by thousands. 6 liters is equals to 6 into 1000 milliliter, which is equals to 6000 milliliters. Now conversion from smaller unit to bigger unit, it is done by division. Milliliters to liter, it is done by dividing by 1000. 42,000 ml is equals to 42,000 divided by 1000 liters, which is equals to 42 liters. Now liters to kiloliter, it is done by dividing by thousands. So 18,000 liters is equals to 18,000 divided by 1000 kiloliters, which is equals to 18 kiloliters. Now come to exercise 11.3. This one you have to do as I have explained you conversion. Now let's learn the addition of metric measures. Take an example. Suppose we have to add 20 meters, 26 and 36 centimeters and 18 meters, 25 centimeters. First write it like this. Meters, meters together, centimeters, centimeters together. Then just do the addition as we do generally. Just add the centimeters and then add the meters. Similarly, for this example, now subtraction of measures. Suppose you have to subtract 40 kilometers, 125 meters from 80 kilometers to 76 meters. Just write it like this. Then first do the subtraction of meters and then do the subtraction of kilometers. Similarly, you have to do this example. Now come to exercise 11.4. Here you have to do addition and subtraction as explained in above examples. Now let's come to word problems. Two boxes weigh 3 kg to 50 grams and 3 kg for 50 grams of water. Then we have to find the total weight. So for finding the total weight, what you have to do? You just have to add it. Weight of first box, weight of second box, total weight will be the addition of these two. Similarly, you have to do this example. Now come to exercise 11.5. This one you have to do as explained in above example. So these are the things you have to remember. And these you have to do yourself.